Menteri rang ba ka jelah nek sngi ula plie ya ka solar panel bala pandai lang ba ka jingkershan na ka CM solar mission ha ka office traikam jo ka Meghalaya State Pollution Control Board Shillong abakren berkilat petai kubor u Conrad ulong ikwa ban pentikna babaro ki office sarkar ki ying school ki ying bat ki jaka sumar kin pendonkam no ya ka bording ka khuid lane ka bording bayo na ka sngi lang ba ki solar panel Kasiam solar mission gede jingtmu ban penbiang bording khuid ba pendonkam da kasngi kentup kajing penbiang ya ki solar panel ki inverter bat ki battery man show ya ka bording na ka benta ban pendonkam katkum kajing donkam menteri rang ba ulapon pau kajing sngau kemen halor kajing sedang ya ka ni ka project da ka boong ngas ngau kemen ba menta kasngi ha ka office jong ka MSPCB hang ni hasilong ngidang supli ya kani bar nga kermen bakani kan kershan ya kajing donkam boarding ha ka office ulai kajing ro ya ka MSPCB ka balai lam da nuksa ha ka baong ka ba kham kong san kalong bakan pha ya ka khubor ka ba ka MSPCB kaya lam da ka nuksa ban pentikna ba kajing pendonkam ya ka boarding ka khuid bat man penslori ki wei ban le kumju
that we will all work together now to ensure that we take this to the logical conclusion. It's, I think, a great opportunity for us to make the pollution board really effective, because as I said, if the head of the government is involved in the whole process, things will move much faster. And as I assured you, that I will take personal interest to make that happen.
Okay. We want to ensure that government offices, homes, schools, health centers, all of them have some sort of clean energy and solar energy backup that's available. And what makes this program special is it's not just the solar panels, but there is also an inverter and battery that ensures that the energy can be stored and that can be used by the people as and when they want it. So we're giving a full solution and not just a piecemeal solution. And I'm happy that today in the pollution board office here in Shillong, we have just inaugurated this, and I hope that this will support the overall energy requirement here, and more importantly, it will send a positive message that the Meghalaya State Pollution Control Board is leading by example to ensure that they are using clean energy and motivate other organizations to also do the same. Thank you. Of the Meghalaya State Pollution Control Board, as you're aware, as the minister in charge of forest and environment, the pollution board comes under the ministry, and as minister in charge, I felt it necessary to review the working of the state pollution board, and I'm happy to inform that, of course, I'm here today, and that we reviewed the entire working of the board. And it was a very, very positive meeting. A lot of positive suggestions have come and discussions on how to streamline the working of the pollution board and ensure that it is more effective. A lot of work has been done in the past many years, but a lot more can be done in the future. And therefore, a lot of positive suggestions came, and we have discussed on those matters. We will take up another review meeting in the month of January, where we will then take up concrete steps and measures on how to expand the scope of work of the board and see how we can be more effective to ensure that the different aspects of and the mandates that are there as per the Air Act, the Water Act, and the Environment Protection Act, those can be protected and those can be implemented. So measures will be discussed, and I hope that in the days to come, we will see the pollution board becoming a very vibrant and a very effective board, and which will lead to overall, as I said, better overall air quality and water quality, and overall control the pollution level in the state as a whole. Thank you so much.